Hi, I'm Harvey, and welcome to Why Not DIY. Today I'd like to show you how to make this DIY roller shade. For this project, you will need roller set, PVC pipe, curtain fabric, miter box, marker, tape measure, handsaw, double-sided tape, scissors, drill, and screwdriver. So the first thing I did was to measure the length of the window and transfer the measurement on my PVC pipe. Then I used a handsaw to cut the pipe and a miter box to act as a guide for a straight cut. So I failed to use the miter box to its full potential. Miter box should be screwed on its place to prevent it from moving. If you will use one, don't forget to screw it in place. Pretty sure it will make a hell of a lot easier to make a cut. Cut to PVC pipe with the same length. The other one will be used later on this project. Be careful when using the saw. Don't do it so aggressively, since PVC pipes are soft enough to cut with just enough force. Now we will stick the double-sided tape on the PVC pipe lengthwise. This will serve as the adhesive for the curtain sheet. Do this carefully as you want to make the adhesive to be as straight as possible. So to make it straight, what I did was I used the writings on the pipe as a guide. Now get your curtain sheet and cut it to your desired size. This sheet is actually a tablecloth which I bought online. I chose to have this plaid pattern to match my duvet, and I really like this tablecloth. Around the house. Now let's attach the bracket by drilling holes and screwing the bracket on the window. Spare me for the badly painted window. I did that years ago. Since I don't like the aluminum color of the window, I painted it black, then white, and there was this old existing roller curtain there. And since I didn't remove it when I painted it white, there's this black mark that's been left. Anyway, it will all be covered by the curtain anyway, so it don't really matter. When attaching the bracket, make sure to give it some allowance, so you can adjust it if it's too tight or too loose.